What is your cleaning business doing to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the workplace? Steve here with the Janitorial Store, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their cleaning companies with systems, tools, and resources. Well, here's the OSHA revised guidance on preventing the spread of COVID-19 in the workplace. So what this says is that the most effective programs engage workers and their representatives in their development, including the following key elements: conducting hazard assessments, identifying a combination of measures that will limit the spread of COVID-19 in the workplace, adopting measures to ensure that workers who are potentially infected are not in contact with other people in the workplace, implementing protections from retaliation for workers who raise COVID-related concerns, and educating and training workers on COVID-19 policies and procedures in the language they understand. So, this guidance provides additional details on key measures for limiting the spread of COVID-19, starting with ensuring infected and potentially infected people are not in the workplace, implementing physical distancing, suppressing the spread by using surgical face masks or cloth face coverings, installing barriers, providing worker with appropriate personal PPE, and making sure that they all use it properly. So remember to train people on PPE. They're also improving ventilation, providing supplies for good hygiene, and doing routine cleaning. So if you'd like to read the full text on the guidance document, mitigating and preventing the spread of COVID-19 in the workplace, just go to this link right here. Something else you can do is that you can go to the janitorialstore.com or myhousecleaningbiz.com, and you can go to the download library and you can download the document, the COVID-19 Checklist. So what this checklist will have is it will be a checklist for you to update your employee handbook. So go there. This is it's got it's a great checklist. You'll be able to go and review your employee handbook to make sure that you got these things covered. But so hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, feel free to make a comment and leave us a like. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. And remember to turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates on new videos to help you grow your cleaning business. Thanks for checking in today, and let's keep it clean out there.